Every chocolate has a beginning, born from the finest cocoa beans, crafted with precision and passion. Inside modern chocolate making, from cocoa bean to chocolate bar, chocolate begins its journey in tropical cocoa plantations. Farmers carefully harvest ripe cocoa pods from the trees. Inside each pod are fresh cocoa beans covered in white pulp. The beans are fermented for several days to develop flavor. Banana leaves cover the beans, maintaining warmth and humidity. Fermentation transforms the beans from pale to rich brown. Next, the beans are dried under the sun to remove moisture. Workers carefully turn the beans to ensure even drying. Sun drying enhances the chocolate's rich flavor. The beans are roasted in industrial machines to release their aroma. Roasting deepens the chocolate flavor and loosens the shells. Cracked beans are now ready for grinding. The roasted beans are ground into smooth cocoa liquor. This rich, thick paste is the heart of chocolate. Cocoa liquor contains both cocoa solids and cocoa butter. Cocoa liquor is pressed to separate cocoa butter and cocoa powder. The butter is creamy and golden, while the powder is rich brown. Both are key ingredients for chocolate production. Cocoa liquor, butter, sugar, and milk are blended together. Mixing creates a smooth, flowing chocolate mixture. Consistency is key for quality chocolate. Chocolate is refined to remove grainy textures. Conching develops a silky, smooth, and glossy finish. This process enhances flavor and aroma. Chocolate is tempered to achieve perfect shine and snap. It is poured into molds and air bubbles removed. Bars take shape with smooth, glossy surfaces. Bars are cooled to set their shape perfectly. Automated machines wrap and package the chocolate. Finally, the chocolate is ready for stores worldwide. Packaged chocolates are carefully placed into shipping boxes. Boxes are stacked on pallets and stored in the warehouse. Refrigerated trucks load the chocolates for safe delivery.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more video.